low value of third ionization enthalpy, because gadolinium has got 4F7 5D0. It has got 5D0. Gadolinium has 4F7 5D0 configuration. So since it has half filled f orbital, the exchange enthalpy is higher, that is why it is the most stable. So the most probable answer must be second option होना है. Question number 52. Which one is not correct mathematical equation for Dalton's law of partial pressure? Here P is the total pressure of the gaseous mixture, right? So given options, first option is correct option, total pressure equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Second option is also correct because P equals to P1 लिखेंगे तो P1 equals to N1 RT by V. So second option is also correct. Third option is also correct because the partial pressure is equals to total pressure into its mole fraction. Total pressure into its mole fraction. This is also the correct option. But the fourth option is the partial pressure is equals to mole fraction into a total pressure होना था, but he has given the pressure of ith gas pure state, so he has mentioned it is also partial pressure. So ये भी partial pressure हो गए, ये भी partial pressure हो गए, ये pure state में बोल रहे, ये बोल रहे, so this could not be our correct expression for the Dalton's law. Therefore the expected answer must be, the tentative answer must be fourth option, right? So next we will see the 54th question. pH of 50 ml of each 0.1 molar sodium acetate and 0.01 molar acetic acid is how much? So it's a buffer pH का solution है. So we have the formula, the pH equals to pKa plus log salt concentration by acid concentration. pKa is given 4.57 plus log, the salt is sodium acetate whose concentration is 0.1, should be divided by the acetic acid का concentration is given as 0.01. So when you solve this, so we will end up with the log 10. Log 10 becomes equals to 1. So 4.57 is added by 1 equals to 5.57 होना है. So the required answer is this one. So answer for this question is first option. Right, we'll move to the next question. 55th question here. Identify the incorrect statement from the following. Alkali metals react with water to form hydroxides. Correct statement है. Correct statement है. This is not our answer. Second one, the oxidation number of potassium in KO2 is +4. ये गलत option है. This is our answer because alkali metals always show +1 or 0 oxidation state only. So +4 is not exhibited by any alkali metal. So answer for this question is second answer. Right. Next we will move to the 58th question. The IUPAC name of the element with atomic number 119 is. So it is 1 is Un, another one is Un, 9 is N. UUE, ununnium. Ununnium is the first option, is the right answer. 59th question. The correct statement of the given. The diamond graphite have two-dimensional network. No. Diamond has 3D structure. Diamond is covalent, graphite is ionic. ये भी गलत statement है because both of them are the covalent, none of them is the ionic. Diamond is sp3 hybridized and graphite is sp2 hybridized. So this is the correct statement. So answer for this question should be third option होना चाहिए. right? So these are the few questions. Now we'll move to the next question. 6-0 question है. Given below are two statements. Statement 1 is coagulation of negative Sol of flocculating power of 3 given ions is given. नेगेटिव सोल के लिए पॉजिटिव कैटायन चाहिए +3 +2 +2, ये करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. सेकंड स्टेटमेंट कोऑगुलेशन ऑफ पॉजिटिव सोल फ्लोकुलेटिंग पावर इज, ये पॉजिटिव सोल है तो यहाँ नेगेटिव आयन देखना है, यहाँ Cl- है, यहाँ SO2- है, यहाँ PO4- 3 है. सो दिस इज नॉट द राइट आंसर. सो स्टेटमेंट 2 इज गलत है. सो स्टेटमेंट 1 इज करेक्ट, स्टेटमेंट 2 इज इनकरेक्ट. सो आवर आंसर इज third option. Our answer is third option. Next we will move to the question number 64. Which among the following is incorrect statement? The bond order of O2 plus O2, O2 minus, O-2 are 2.1 to 1.11 respectively. Correct statement है, right? So we have 13 electrons है, 14 इलेक्ट्रॉन से 3 होता है, 15 है तो 2.5, 16 है तो भी 2, 15 है तो 1.5, so 13 है तो 2.5. so this way we will calculate it. First statement is correct. C2 molecule has 4 electrons in its 4 degenerate pi molecular orbital, ये भी correct है. H2 plus has 1 electron in it, ये भी सही statement है. O2 plus is diamagnetic, ये गलत है. O2 and O2 plus both are paramagnetic due to presence of unpaired electrons in the antibonding orbital. So answer for this question is this. 64th, RMGX reacts with carbon dioxide in presence of dry ether and produces Y, which on hydrolysis gives carboxylic acid. So what is Y here? So here R minus Mg plus, R minus is attacking on carbon, so obviously we will get RCOO with which MgX is connected to with it. So the right option should be, first option should be our answer, right? Next we will move to the next question. 66 question. Given below two half cell reactions are given. MnO4 minus is converted to Mn plus 2. For this Mn plus 2 to MnO4 minus given है. Of O2 plus 2H plus 2 electrons, for this is given. And which of the following are correct here? So the tricky part of this question is, यहाँ मैंगनीज +2 स्टेट में है, यहाँ +6 स्टेट में है, इसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है. सो दिस इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग पोटेंशियल, this is oxidizing potential, and oxygen here is 0, here the oxygen is -2, it is being reduced, so this is reducing potential, oxidizing potential, reducing potential. So when we convert a electrochemical cell, you have to convert them into this, so they are going to change here. So KMnO4 cannot reduce it because both of them will come up negative. So negative 2.7 आना चाहिए. So fourth option should be the expected answer to be corrected because -2.73 होना चाहिए, right? Next 67. In Geldahl's method, the estimation of nitrogen can be used to estimate the amount of nitrogen which is one of the following. In Geldahl's method, amines are used here. Direct question है, first question is the answer, right? Incorrect statement regarding enzymes. Enzymes are biocatalyst, correct है. Like chemical catalyst reduce the activation energy कही है. Enzymes are polysaccharides, गलत है. Enzymes are proteins, not polysaccharides. So answer for this question is third option. Third option is the right answer. 69th question. IUPAC name of AgH2O taken twice, AgCN taken twice is. So here silver, this is acting like a cationic center, this is acting like an anionic center, so it should be diaqua. silver dicyanido argentate 1, diaqua silver, diaqua silver. So the right answer is diaqua silver dicyanido argentate 1. So this is the fourth option is the right option. In both the cases silver is in +1 oxidation state. 7-0 question. Match the following: antacid, antihistamine, analgesic, antimicrobials, and examples are given. So when we match with them, so antacid is cimetidine. So A must be 3, दोनों options में दिख रहे, right? Analgesic is morphine, C should be 2 here. So our answer should be 2. So B should be antihistamine is Seldane, right? And antimicrobial is salvarsan. So our answer is second option. Among the following, which one will have the maximum lone pair electron pair repulsions? Obviously answer is XeF2. Xe has got 3 lone pairs of electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 6. So 3 lone pairs are present, that's why maximum repulsion is observed here. 72 question. So silver cannot reduce the copper since its reducing potential is less than the other one. 75. Identify the incorrect statement for the following: all 5d orbitals of different orbitals compared to the respective 4d orbitals, sizes are different. Correct statement we have to identify incorrect. All 5 4d orbitals have shapes similar to the respective 3d shapes. Shapes are equal. In an atom, all 5 3d orbitals are equal. Energy free state. Here the fourth option looks incorrect. यहाँ dx squared y squared dz squared are different orbitals. इनका shape अलग होता है. The shapes are different है. dx squared y squared में along the axis होगा. So 4 lobes of electrons are found here, whereas in dz square only z square orbitals have got collar like structure. These two structures shapes are different. So this is our answer. Right. 74. 1 molar solution contains 0.5 moles of solute. The solvent is how much? देख लीजिए, सिंपल क्वेश्चन है. अगर 1 मोल 1 kg में है, 1 मोलार होता है. सो अगर ये हाफ मोल में है तो ये डबल होना चाहिए. सो 1 इक्वल टू 0.5 by x इक्वल्स टू 500 ml, 500 grams of solvent, 500 grams of solvent. So answer should be our second option, right? So we'll move to the next question. Given below are the two statements. ICl is more reactive than I2. Yes, correct. NCERT given statement. Interhalogens have weaker bond than the halogens. ICl bond is weaker than I2. Both statements are correct and right explanation. First option is correct. 76th. Which compound among the following is not an aromatic? This is aromatic. This guy is not an aromatic because of sp3 hybridized carbon, right? So next one, the boiling points of the hydrates of 16th group elements are given. गलत है ये. H2O should be higher side. H2O should have the boiling points of these hydrates increase with increase in molar mass. In light of observations, what is correct? Statement 1 is incorrect. Statement 2 is correct. Right? So in light of above statement, choose the most. The boiling points of hydrates increase with increased molar mass. Yes, this is true, but with one exception. Statement 1, इसका भी exception है. So both are incorrect है. So answer should be 2 होना चाहिए. Next 78. Match the following: lithium, sodium, potassium, hydroxide, cesium. Lithium is used in batteries, electrochemical cells. 1, 2. A should be 2. So fourth option है. Sodium is used in photoelectric effects. Even the cesium is also used in photoelectric effects. So B. Okay, sodium is further is used in coolant as fast decrease the breeding reaction. KOH is used to absorb the carbon dioxide. C1. So most appropriate is fourth option. Which of the following sequence of reaction suitable for synthesizing of chlorobenzene? Benzene chlorination in presence of anhydrous FeCl3 gives chlorobenzene. डायरेक्ट आंसर है, ये गलत है, पूरा नहीं देंगे. Right. So these are few questions here. We'll take few more here. So 81th question, match the following: cyanohydrine, acetal, Schiff's base, oxime. So इसका मैचिंग इसके फार्मूला के साथ करना है. साइनोहाइड्रिन इज विथ HCN, A4 एक ही ऑप्शन में है. एसिटॉल इज विथ अल्कोहल, एसिटॉल इज अल्कोहल. शिफ्स बेस इज प्राइमरी एमाइन, C2. ऑक्साइम इज राइट, आंसर इज फोर्थ ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट 82, द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट रिगार्डिंग द chirality is: in SN1 reaction 1:1 mixture of both enantiomers are formed. सही है. The product obtained by SN2 reaction of haloalkanes having chirality reactive site inversion of configuration. सही है. Enantiomers are non superimposable mirror images होना, ये गलत है. This is our answer. Enantiomers are non superimposable mirror images of each other, not superimposable. So for this question answer should be 3. Next one, match the following: B2H6 electron deficient, C2 दोनों जगह पे है. MgH2, GeH4 is electron precise, B1 दो करेक्ट है. HF is, so बचा क्या है, MgH2 एंड ये MgH2 is ionic, A4. HF is इलेक्ट्रॉन रिच, D4, बिकॉज इसके पास 3 लोन पेयर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स है. सो आंसर इज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट वन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट अबाउट डाइबोरेन? डायरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है. डाइबोरेन में बोरॉन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp3 होता है. एनसीईआरटी में डाइबोरेन के नीचे इसका डायग्राम दिया हुआ है, sp2 दिया हुआ है. दिस इज इनकरेक्ट एंड दिस इज आवर आंसर. Next, hematite, calamine, cholanine, and these options you can check it directly. NCERT based question है. So D must be 4. दोनों options में है. Calamine is ZnCO3. C must be 2. ये दोनों में एक कौन है? Hematite is Fe3O4. So answer should be ये होना चाहिए. Next 87, 10 liters of flask of 64 grams of oxygen at 27 degrees Celsius. The pressure inside the bar is. So we use the PV equals to nRT. P equal to N should be 64 by 34 into R I will take 1 by 12 into 300 divided by 10. On solving this is going to be 2. This is going to be 5 6s, this is going to be 5, close to 5, that means it should be 4.9 होगा आंसर. Because I have taken RI is 1 by 12, I got a bit higher. If you take exactly this, you will end up with this, right? So these are the few questions. Now we will move to the next question. A direct find the EMF of the cell. This direct NCERT solved question है, solved और in text question है, direct question है. 92, देख लीजिए, एसीटोन हैज गॉट 3 कार्बन्स, pentanone has got 5 carbons. So the compound which is formed by the NaOH or aldol reaction should have maximum 8 carbons. लेकिन यहाँ पर एक कंपाउंड में 8 से ज़्यादा कार्बन्स है, देख लीजिए. सो दिस इज द एसीटोन का रिएक्शन है. इसके पास 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 कार्बन्स है. सो दिस इज आवर आंसर. 10 कार्बन्स कहाँ से आए? रिएक्टेंट्स हैव गॉट ओनली 8 and 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 सही है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 सही है, ये करेक्ट है, ये करेक्ट है, ये भी करेक्ट है. So this is not possible. Answer is 2. Right, IUPAC name of the following compound here. So it should be 1 2 3 4 5 6. So must be hexane. Hexane 3-ol. 3-ol दो जगह दिख रहे हैं. राइट, नंबरिंग करें तो 1 ब्रोमो होना है, 1 ब्रोमो भी दोनों जगह दिख रहे हैं. ब्रोमो के बाद क्लोरो आना चाहिए, 5 क्लोरो 4 मिथाइल. राइट, आंसर इज फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. यहां मिथाइल पहले लिखा है, क्लोरो बाद में लिखा है. राइट, सो दिस इज डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन है. 95. Compound X on reaction with O3 followed by zinc and formaldehyde 2-methyl propanol products are given here. When formaldehyde is formed here, the alkene should contain double bond at first carbon. So answer must be either of them, one in एक ही जगह पे है. Again 2-methyl propanol is obtained. 2-methyl propane is obtained when we write the compound here. Double bonded carbon 1 2 3, ये प्रोपेनॉल है, यहाँ 3 है, यहाँ से टूटेगा, ये फॉर्माल्डिहाइड बनेगा. दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 2-methyl propanol. So answer should be 1 2 3. 3-methyl but 1-ene. First option is the right answer. Next, in neutral faint alkaline medium, KMnO4 oxidizes to iodide to iodate. Changing oxidation state of manganese is, we have the simple formula, that is BAN 153. So in neutral medium it should be 3. So 7 plus 3 equals to 4. So plus 7 to plus 4. Answer first option. Pollution due to oxides of sulfur gets enhanced in presence of what? Right. So इसका आंसर देखना चाहिए. Next 98. Two statements are given here. Correct statement पता करना है. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohols distinguished by on the basis of reactivity of concentrated known as Lucas reagent. सही statement है. Primary alcohols are more reactive. गलत है. One is correct, second is correct है. First is correct, second is incorrect. Answer 3 is the right one. Copper crystallizes FCC unit cell. The length is given. And it is asked, atomic mass is asked. Atomic mass 63.1 होता है. No need to do any calculations, directly कर सकते हैं आप. कॉपर का 63 है, obviously this option. Question number 100. The product formed from the following reaction sequence. So cyanide का reaction lithium hydride के साथ कर दिया है, तो यहाँ ये compound मिल गए, CH2 NH2 मिल गए. इसका डाइऑक्सीडाइजेशन कर दिया है, ये N2Cl बन गए. इसका रिएक्शन वाटर के साथ कर दिया है, तो ये OH बन गए पूरा. आंसर शुड बी फोर्थ ऑप्शन. राइट, सो दैट्स इट. थैंक यू.